Today I'm taking a closer look at this 4-piece bedsheet management system the team very kindly sent out to me. If you wake up in the morning and your bed sheets are all pulled up or in a mess or super wrinkly, it can be a little bit annoying having to refit them every single day. And this is the product for you. This will fit any bed size. So if you've got a single, double or king, this is going to fit your mattress absolutely fine. Also, if you've got a memory foam topper as well, this is going to be fine. It will fit also any sheet type. So if you have a fitted sheet, you have an unfitted sheet or a mattress topper as well as your sheet, this is going to be absolutely fine as well. It's going to fit both. I'm someone that sleeps with a very wiggly sleeper. So every morning I'm having to re-pull all the sheets over to remake my bed, and it just gets a little bit much. So this is going to be a really super system. The system itself is a really nice, high quality, durable plastic. All you need to do is fit the system once and it will be on there permanently. And every time you need to change your bed sheets, you would just unclip it. All you need to do to install it is take out the base pads, slip them under the corner of your mattress like this. And then you would clip over either your bed topper and then your sheet, or just your sheet, depending on what you have on your bed there. And as you can see, it is pulled nice and tight, wrinkle free, and it looks absolutely fabulous. And then when you're ready, you can just unclip it to change your bed sheets. This is going to keep your bed sheets looking absolutely fabulous. One less thing to have to deal with in the morning when you're making your bed. It's going to look really smart. It's going to feel really nice as well. So thank you again to the team for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate it. This one gets 5 stars from me.